Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome to Look Up My Channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another get ready with me. So I have already done my eyebrow. I used the Amo brow pencil in number 09, and then I use the Be Creative primer. This one have SPF 10. I use this to prime my face, and I also use the Sneak highlighter, this small little one. I use this to like bronze my face. So now that it's done, so let's jump into this tutorial. I'm going to take this NYX glitter eye primer. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page if you guys want to see like pictures and outfits. I'll put everything there. And I also use the NYX concealer palette to like cut my eyebrow. That's what I use. So now that is done, I'm going to use two palettes today. I'm going to use the Morphe 35 OS palette. So I'm going to use this one. This is all glitter. It's all shimmery color. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the 35P. I'm going to use that as well. So first, let's start with the 35P. I'm going to take my transition color. You guys already know this is my favorite. I'm gonna use this transition all over my eyes. So now that I have transition, I'm gonna use this brown here. I'm gonna put it like right underneath here and blend it in and outward. So now that I have done that, I'm gonna take this brush. I'm going to take this burgundy color here, and I'm gonna put it like at the outer corner like here and blend it inside what. So now I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to use it to like blend to get rid of any harsh line. I wanted to go for this shadow here, but I'm thinking I wanted to use this, but let's just stay with this. Let's just use this 35 P palette because I wanted to go for another shade, but I'm going to try this shade here, this shimmery shade. I have never used it, so I think it's a perfect time to like give it a try. I'm going to take this NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to use this to like put it on top of my eyes, where I'm going to I'm gonna use this brush to just dab it on top of it. Just a little bit, go along with it. just to make sure the colors stand out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this color here. I'm going to use my finger just because wait. I've realized that with the Morphe palette, the shimmer color, when you use your finger, the pigments stand out even more better than when you use a brush. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a brush just to get in the inner corner much more better. But I find that using a brush, the color does not really stand out. The pigment doesn't really stand out that much. So now I'm going to take this brush. I'm going in with that burgundy just to like So this is it. Now that it is done, I'm going to take, I didn't even use the rest of the brush that I took out to use. So I'm going to take my eyeliner. I'm going to use this Rimmel London eyeliner. I'm going to use this to line my eyes. So now that we are done with the eyes, we're going to jump to the skin. I've already primed my face, as you guys know. I'm not going to use any color corrector, so I'm going to use the Be Creative foundation. I'm almost out of it. It's in 009, and the L'Oreal True Match foundation in Espresso, because just to mix it together to get my perfect shade. The summer is here. The weather is my neck is getting darker, so I just want my foundation to like match my neck a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit, you know, so that it doesn't look, so that my foundation doesn't look kind of weird. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13. I'm going to use this to highlight. So today we're going to try this LA Girl contour powder. We're going to try, I always use this to contour, so we're going to try this powder to set. I'm going to use this small brush. I'm going to use this to set my, I'm going to take sponge. So now I've used this set, I'm going to contour. I'm going to use this powder to contour. And now that that is done, I'm going to take this Sleek. I'm going to use to contour my nose. So now we're back to my favorite part. I'm going to take the Primark highlight. I'm going to take this highlighter palette. I'm going between these two shades, these two here. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray my brush, because I found out that when I spray my brush, the highlighter kind of stand out much more better. Just a little bit, just to pump. And then this is the same highlight as what I used to highlight my brow bone. So I'm going to take my smaller brush. I'm going to take this one here to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, like here. And then I like to bring it just a little bit in here. So this is the finished result. Yes, I decided to be a little bit edgy today. So the lipstick that I use is the Nabla Cosmetic liquid lipstick. I really like it. So I like how it turned out, the hair, the makeup, everything. I just like how everything turned out. It looks very, very nice. I really like it. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page for more pictures. And you know, yeah, so tell me, what do you guys think about it? Do you guys like this look? I like it. This is the eyes. So I like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again. En vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Emmy. Doeg! Bye!